Hi everyone! Ready for an amazing trip? Let's get started! Want to see Italy? From Venice's canals to Rome's ruins, Italy has it all. Busy cities, cute villages, old ruins, and great food. Imagine walking through Tuscany or seeing the Amalfi Coast. Join us to see 10 amazing places you must visit in 2024. From Florence's art to Cinque Terre's views, let's explore Italy together. Our journey starts in the heart of history. Rome, the eternal city. This city is a mix of ancient history and modern life. Walk the paths of emperors at the Colosseum, where you can feel the history in its walls. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain and make a wish. See the beauty of Vatican City and St. Peter's Basilica, a symbol of art and faith. Rome is best explored on foot, so wear comfortable shoes and discover its streets and piazzas. Enjoy a scoop of gelato, a sweet treat that matches the city's lively spirit. As the sun sets over the Tiber River, let Rome's timeless charm win you over. Next, we head to Venice, a unique city. Venice is built on water, a true marvel. The buildings reflect on the water, creating a beautiful sight. Imagine gliding through the canals in a gondola, with a gondolier singing. The boat sways gently, and the music fills the air. Walk through the canals and bridges and enjoy its charms. Every corner of Venice has a story, every alleyway a secret. Visiting Venice is an unforgettable trip. From famous landmarks to hidden spots, Venice offers a unique experience. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, is a city that breathes art and history. As you stroll through its cobblestone streets, you'll encounter masterpieces at every corner. From the awe-inspiring Duomo to the world-renowned Uffizi Gallery, Florence is a treasure trove of cultural wonders. Don't miss the chance to witness Michelangelo's David in all its glory. This city is not just a destination. It's an experience that will leave you inspired and enchanted. Florence is a treat for the senses, a city where every corner tells stories of Renaissance art and history. Welcome to the Amalfi Coast, where beauty meets the sea. Enjoy the amazing views and blue waters. This beautiful coast has colorful villages on high cliffs. Drive through pretty towns like Positano and Amalfi, where each turn shows something new. Enjoy the freshest seafood, caught daily from the clear waters. And try local limoncello, a real taste of this lovely coast. As the sun sets, the Amalfi Coast becomes magical, with twilight colors in the sky. Enjoy the calm beauty of the Amalfi Coast at night, where every moment feels like a dream. Welcome to Cinque Terre, 5 villages, endless charm. Cinque Terre means 5 lands. It's a group of 5 colorful fishing villages on the beautiful Italian Riviera. You can hike or take a train between the villages. Each one has its own special charm. Walk between the villages, enjoy the coastal views, explore the harbors, and taste the delicious seafood in this amazing UNESCO World Heritage Site. At sunset, the villages light up, creating a magical experience. Visit the local markets for fresh produce and unique items. Take photos and enjoy a boat ride to see the villages from the water. At night, the villages are beautifully lit, offering a peaceful and romantic atmosphere. Tuscany. Rolling hills and rustic romance. Ah, Tuscany. What a dream. This region is the heart of Italy, with its beautiful rolling hills, green vineyards, and charming medieval towns. Rent a car, take a scenic drive, visit vineyards for wine tastings, and explore historic cities like Siena and San Gimignano. Tuscany is a place to enjoy simple pleasures, delicious food, great wine, and beautiful scenery. Imagine walking through vineyards, staying in a cozy farmhouse, and having a picnic in the hills. Tuscany's charm is irresistible. As the sun sets over the hills, raise a glass to the memories you'll make in this magical place. Tuscany is waiting for you. Welcome to Milan, the ultimate destination for fashion, finance, and football. Our journey begins in Milan, Italy's fashion capital. Dive into the bustling fashion district where iconic brands like Prada, Gucci, and Versace await. Did you know? Milan Fashion Week is a premier event drawing designers, models, and celebrities from around the globe. Marvel at the Duomo, a Gothic wonder that took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Milan isn't just about fashion, it's also Italy's financial powerhouse, home to the Italian Stock Exchange and major corporations. Experience the thrill at San Siro Stadium, the iconic home of AC Milan and Inter Milan, 2 legendary football clubs. Milan seamlessly blends history, culture, and modernity. From ancient landmarks to cutting-edge skyscrapers, the city is a testament to innovation and tradition. And don't forget the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the world's oldest shopping malls, where luxury shopping and exquisite dining come together under a stunning glass dome. Get ready to be amazed by the calm beauty of Lake Como. This beautiful lake, surrounded by big mountains, is a treat for the eyes and charming villages. Take a boat tour to see the fancy villas along the shore and explore the lovely town of Bellagio, known for its pretty streets and lively vibe. Enjoy the calm and peaceful feel of this magical place. Escape the busy life and soak in the unmatched natural beauty of Italy. As the sun sets, the lake turns into a magical scene, with evening lights reflecting on the water, creating a stunning twilight view. Whether day or night, Lake Como's beauty is timeless. Visit in autumn to see the bright fall colors that add to its charm. Or come in winter, when the snowy landscape offers a calm and quiet escape. Spring brings blooming flowers and a fresh feel. No matter the season, Lake Como promises unforgettable experiences all year round. Our journey now takes us to the famous island of Sicily, the biggest and most beautiful island in the Mediterranean Sea. Explore the old Greek temples, climb the powerful Mount Etna, and relax on the cleanest beaches you can imagine. From the busy streets of Palermo to the charming towns of Taormina and Cefalù, Sicily offers a memorable adventure at every turn. Legends say Sicily was home to the Cyclops, one-eyed giants who roamed the land. In Greek stories, Odysseus met these giants on his journey. The island also has the story of Persephone, who was taken by Hades to the underworld. Mount Etna is believed to be the workshop of Hephaestus, the god of fire and blacksmiths. Visit the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, where history and myth meet. Enjoy the rich culture and timeless stories that make Sicily a truly magical and exciting place. Our journey now takes us to the remains of Pompeii, a city stopped in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Walk through the quiet ruins of this once busy city, where empty streets, big houses, and detailed mosaics tell stories of a lost world. Step into the old amphitheater, imagine the sounds of the crowds, and admire the frescoes that show daily life and myths. Move on to the historic city of Naples, known for its rich history and lively culture, where the past mixes with the present. Nearby is the beautiful Amalfi Coast, a place of stunning views and deep history, where every scene tells a story. As the sun sets over this timeless coast, the echoes of Italy's past and natural beauty leave a lasting impression on all who visit. From the beautiful canals of Venice to the stunning hills of Tuscany, Italy is full of beauty. Start planning your amazing 2024 trip today. Italy has something special for everyone, whether you love art, history, food, or just want to enjoy life. Italy will steal your heart and make you want more. Subscribe to Passport Nuggets for travel ideas and tips. Don't miss out on more great travel guides. Subscribe now. Let Italy be where your dreams come true. Start your trip today. With so much to see, your Italian adventure is waiting. Have a great trip.